What are the uses of a VPN? Dory Frank says, basically, VPNs are used for security purposes when using public networks. Nowadays, VPN is used in little telecommunication business. To securely access virtual private networks are used. For creating impervious and private connections across public networks such as the internet and Wi-Fi, VPN is the best option. In other words, it's all about the security and privacy of public or private networks. CovermeVPN are the world's most expanded VPN provider, able to deliver our services at maximum turbo speeds in more than 140 countries plus 350 different locations, cities, regions. Our network guarantees 99.9% uptime with 100% satisfaction guarantee to our customers. CovermeVPN offer up to 5 logins at once, so you can protect your desktop PC, tablet, smartphone, laptop and Mac with a single account. And if you set up your Wi-Fi router with our service, unlimited devices are protected. This means that any device that is connected to your router will be protected. Read the tutorial for more information. Sarah Sharp says, the main uses in my eyes are for streaming content in another country and encrypting your data. I'll break each of these down into a bit more detail. Encrypting your traffic. The main reason they have become popular in the past decade is the security that they bring. A regular internet connection involves your device sending traffic through your ISP server, which then sends your traffic to the internet. In simple terms, of course, a regular connection makes your device's traffic visible to anyone on the network, visible to the government, and visible to your ISP. This may not sound too bad when on your home's private network, but I'm sure you don't want your data to be visible on a public network. A VPN routes your data through a secured server, allowing your data to be encrypted and anonymized. No one will be able to intercept your device's data, and your location will be hidden from the internet, thanks to the fake IP addresses a VPN gives you. Streaming from different countries. The other big use is to stream certain content from different countries. For example, Netflix content differs from country to country. If you wanted to watch a specific show, you may need to have an account set from a certain country. A VPN saves you the trouble by routing through your connection through a server in the country of your choice. This tricks streaming platforms such as Netflix to believe that you're located in the country the server is located in. Basically, you can watch content from any country anywhere, at any time. These are their main uses in my eyes, though the first reason is much more important to most people, I'd wager. Rose A. Flat says, here are some important uses of VPN. 1. Use public or hotel Wi-Fi securely. Public Wi-Fi offers no encryption security to its users, and your signals are broadcast for anyone savvy enough to eavesdrop. Therefore, some people use VPNs at Wi-Fi hotspots to prevent snoopers from collecting private information. Generally, the most effective way to keep your data from entering the wrong hands is by using a VPN service which makes all internet use totally private and secure. 2. Secure communication between sites. Many businesses today have branch offices, and connect these branches to the main office over the internet using a site-to-site VPN connection. For example, businesses can enable workers with laptops on the road or at home to connect to the company network as if they were sat at a desk in the office. A company that has offices in 2 locations can connect them using a VPN across the internet, so there appears to be one network. Linking remote sites with a main office lets users send and receive information via a secure connection. Employees can use file servers and printers which are not physically in the same office. 3. Bypass the web censorship and content surveillance. Some countries put up firewalls to restrict what their residents see, hear, and share with other people within and beyond their borders. Connecting to a VPN server will enable you to tunnel out of the censorship restrictions and access the full World Wide Web. 4. Access to the restricted contents. By using a VPN service, you can manipulate your machine's IP address to specific location like US. Therein you can unlock access to Netflix and streaming content from outside the USA. Thanks for watching our video on what are the uses of a VPN.